before I start the video, I just have something very important to say. Let me just clear my throat. Okay. Only 50% subscribed. So that's stuff here now. Okay, pardon me. What I was trying to say is that only 50% of my viewers are subscribed, and you can always unsubscribe if you want. So, smash subscribe.
Someone might.
Stay down.
Give me your gun.
They're all A, they're all A, trust me.
Thanks for your gun. They're all A or B? A.
So I lost the unboxing footage, so here we go straight to when the keycaps are out of the box. It looks like this, and when I first saw this, I was kind of disappointed because when I saw the picture online, the blue color was in a darker variant, but you know, this one looks brighter and I don't really think it fits my black, but hey, it's already here, so I'm just gonna put them on my keyboard. And the whole part of like me unboxing, I mean not unboxing, the whole part of me taking out my keycap, swapping out the keycaps is gonna be sped up, or it's gonna be pretty boring. So since this is my first time buying keycaps and swapping them out for the pre-built keycaps, I'm gonna share my experience and you'll see my experience. And these are keycaps are, by the way, SA profile keycaps, which mean they're thick and they're tall. So over here there isn't much special things here. It's just me pulling the keycaps out, so I'm gonna speed them up even more. Right now they're sped up 5 times, so I'm gonna speed them up even more, and I'll slow them down when I find out something about the keycaps, or you know, I learn something about my experience. And so here I finished pulling out the old keycaps and I'm putting on the new ones, the SA profile. And when I'm putting on the keycaps, I found out something about the keycaps. So it's like under the keycaps, it's not really a big problem, but it doesn't really look nice. It has like a defect, like a tiny bump here. I pull it out, so you can see like a white scratch over here. Yeah, over there. It looks like when it's made out of factory, it wasn't really cut properly or something, but I won't complain much because for this price, the quality is actually pretty good. And here you might be wondering, like, why do I have my Otamu browns on the insert, delete, and scroll lock things? Because, well, when I was switching out my matcha greens, Akacia's matcha greens, I was too lazy to switch out the brown switches, and I thought, I don't even use them that much. It should be fine if I just leave them as browns, right? So I just left them there. So when I was putting on this row of keycaps, I realized that the keycaps are just ever so slightly misaligned. It's kind of triggering, but it's so, like, you can't even see it that, it's not even that obvious. And as I said, for this price, I think it's not that bad. And yeah, after I put on all of the keycaps, I can't really notice them much anymore. So, you know, just a little heads up. I also realized that the straight line on the backslash key has a gap in between it. I don't really like it, but it's a part of the the design, so I have to get used to it. And I also realized when I was trying to get the camera to focus, I found out to get how much height difference both these different type of keycap profile has, and I'm trying to show it to the camera here. It's kind of blurry, but you can see the difference. It's kind of surprising. One more shocking thing is that the brown switches with these SA profile keycaps, they actually feel pretty good. They're not that bad. You can see me like touching them a bit on the right there, because I was surprised on how good they feel with the SA profile keycaps. Over here, when I was putting on my F key, I realized that there was a bump in the middle of the keycap, like a dot. And at first I thought it was a defect from the factory, but I checked the J key and it also had the bump. And that's when I realized it's for the touch typers, for keyboards. I'm trying to get the camera to focus here so you can see the dot. So you know, usually there's a line on the F key or J key, but on this set of keycaps they turned it into a dot. And that's pretty cool, it's interesting, it's something special. After I put on the SA profile spacebar, I realized that it amplifies the rattle of my stabilizers so much. It's kind of disgusting, because my stabilizers kind of suck. But you know, I'll mod it in the future, but for now you'll have to bear with me.
Okay, now that the build is done, we'll do some cinematic shots of the keyboard and we'll do a nice sound test. Hey, Audrey, do you become
Oh, damn it. GG. GG WP. Good game. Hi, next time, man. Camper. Oh man. GG WP. Oh, Tomo. Why are you not watching that angle? Fucking noob. Bro, what are you doing? The keycaps feel really nice to type on. Playing Osu with these keycaps also feel really good. And at first using WASD might feel a bit weird, but you get used to it eventually. And overall, in conclusion, it's worth it and I think it's pretty nice.